Today I'm going to share something powerful, a 2025 roadmap for mastering Snowflake and Azure Data Factory. Why these two? Well, Snowflake and ADF together are revolutionizing the data engineering. And if you are aiming for high career growth, you need to know this combination. By the end of this video, you will understand the latest trends in data engineering, what other career potentials exist, right? And step by step roadmap for 2025 to master these tools. Stay with me. This could be the turning point in your career. Let's start with the latest quick trends in the data engineering. There is a rise in the cloud native data platform. We all know, right? Multiple cloud platforms we have: Azure, AWS, GCP, correct? Same for data warehousing as well. Now on cloud data warehousing, it's dominating the industry. That's the number one. Number two, companies are focusing more on the real-time data processing because there is really a demand, lots of data being generated in the real time. So the processing for the same is also there is a very much needed. Third point, adoption and the implementation of AI-based solutions. So basically, we all know, right? Latest trend, ChatGPT, LLMs, right? Gen AI. Having those latest trends, the adoption of AI-based or ML-based solutions, right? Implementing those solutions is really a need, right? That's number four. With the low code and the no code capability, these things are very high in demand in the today's scenario because this really helps to complete the life cycle of software very fast. It results in saving in the cost, saving in the efforts and time. That's a little bit about the latest trends in the data engineering. How the Snowflake is leading the change as per the latest trend. First of all, it's a cloud-based data platform which is scalable, fast, and easy to use. How cloud-based? It supports all the three major cloud platforms: Azure, AWS, and GCP, where the data can be stored and all the two layers, right, can be built. It is scalable, means it can based on the workload, it can be added more clusters, more workers can be added. Fast means the compute power is really strong, you can increase the size of it as per the need. And its UI is also easy to use, even to learn as well. There are lots of easy functionality. The second point is to handle the real-time processing. It supports structured as well as semi-structured and even the unstructured data as well. When it comes to low-code, no-code capability, it supports those serverless pipelines. We can build notebooks, and which is really incredibly powerful. It also supports the dynamic masking, which is basically the data encryption. Looking at the trend of Gen AI, it also supports the AI ML based solutions which are really seamless. You can create those models, feature engineering, right, at the code in the Python, Scala, PySpark. It's possible over here.
Now, why this Snowflake and the Azure Data Factory, this combination is a winning. So the first is that the Snowflake is your go-to for storing as well as processing the data and all kind of data, whether it's structured, unstructured, or semi-structured. It behaves like a data lake, cloud data lake, as well as the cloud data warehousing platform. Now we have stored the data, we have the data with us and we are processing it. Now, how shall we schedule it? So that's what this ADF comes into picture, where we can schedule those data pipelines seamlessly, and we can perform orchestration, and we can easily integrate this data factory with the Snowflake pipeline. So a data factory can execute a stored procedure within the Snowflake, and it can also execute all the objects within the Snowflake across the layers using Azure Data Factory. Let's understand the real world use cases where we can use both of this tool as a combo. Let's suppose we are migrating the data from the legacy systems. So to move the data from those systems onto the cloud, Snowflake is a very good cost effective, and very effort optimized tool as well. You can build the pipelines end to end over here. Those pipelines will move the data across the different layers in the architecture. Okay, for data lake as well, as I already discussed, data lake and data warehouse, this is the real world scenario for these two test cases. Combining the Snowflake having the storage power with the automation of data factory, it's a great combination over here. So what we learn in these slides is these two combinations really very great combination as compared to any other, and it really help you to grow your career. Let's talk about why this combo is a career gold mine. The demand for Snowflake, ADF, SQL, right? These are really skyrocketing. Companies need these professionals who can handle the platforms like Snowflake and ADF. What are the salary insights, right? Let's talk about it. If you can see, if you are having experience around 0 to 3, around 10 LPA you can take. Around 3 to 5, you can take 10 to 15 LPA. If you have 5 plus, it's around 15 plus all the LPA. You'll be getting salary annually, and intentionally it's 1 lakh dollar. So this is really great, correct? So imagine you are earning 15 plus LPA salary, just 3 to 5 years of experience into a career. That's the potential here. Now, let's break down your learning path for the next 4 months. SQL. You will learn the basics, joins, aggregations, window functioning, CT, etc. Python. You will learn about the scripting for data processing, error handling, all the basics concepts, and lots of more advanced concept as well. Snowflake. You will learn about its architecture, data integration, data ingestion, pricing, lots of advanced features like Snowpipe, streams, tasks, performance, and cost optimizations. Data Factory. You will learn about how we can create the pipelines, how you can schedule it, integrate it with the Snowflake, and do all those monitoring tasks. You will learn about how to build, how to do those complex transformations, Jinja templating, and documentation. At the end, you will get a chance to work on the capstone project where you can make use of all these tools in a real world scenario. You will also get some tips on certifications as well as get an opportunity to network for career growth as a bonus. This roadmap will really give you a strong foundation covering everything from basics to advanced topics. Mastering Snowflake and Azure Data Factory can truly transform your career in 2025. If you are ready to dive in and level up, I am excited to invite you to join my 4 months boot camp, Snowflake plus ADA boot camp, where we'll cover this topic in depth. It's a 120-hour program designed to make you job ready. And we are going to have 5 days a week classes, 1.5 hour daily. In curriculum, as we already discussed, it's SQL, Python, Snowflake, ADF, and DBT. There is going to be having weekly assessments, hands-on projects, as well as capstone projects. We'll also help you to prepare for the certifications in Snowflake, and also there are lots of mock interviews as well. Let's hear from our mentees. This is what people are saying about our institute, KSR. So basically, these Google reviews really speaks to the heart of what we offer. We offer this training, this course on Snowflake, this boot camp, and it's really tailored to your goals. If you are aspiring to be data engineer, we'll work closely with you and on the both technical skills as well as career growth. So you can see over here, Suryakant Rama, right? KSR offers exceptional training with knowledgeable instructors who make complex concepts easy to understand. Like that, we have lots of reviews. This is just a four. We have lots of review on Google. KSR is a leader institute which provides good exposure to cloud domain. Like that, we have lots of. Now let's talk about what achievements we have with respect to the job and offer the people are making after the training. Let's see the impact and the value addition that we are doing in the careers of our mentees. You can see Harish Reddy, Azure Data Engineer at Vinod. He got 400% hike after completing the training from our institute. Abhishek Kumar Haridas Kale, data analyst at EY, 120% hike. It's really great. Likewise, you can see Abhilash Badam, store manager to data analyst. This is her journey from store manager to a data analyst at DBG, where he got a package in 100k Australian dollars. It's really amazing. Another use case is here is Ranjit Hampanna from UI designer to directly data scientist in Emphasis. Really a great transformation. Last but not the least, we have Junaid Afaq, who is currently a senior Snowflake developer who got 100% hike in big data dimensions. And the another is Amreza Maharban, who is currently a data analyst at Dento, and the salary is around $1 lakh USD dollar. So it's really a great impact and the success that you guys are seeing. Are you ready to take the next step in your data engineering journey? Join us today. Link is in the description for the bootcamp. Thank you so much for watching this video. And if this video would have really inspired you, hit the like, share it with others, and drop your thoughts in the comments.